into the deepest abyss in the theater.
Oh, that's not cool.
The unexplored pit.
Oh. I don't like this at all. It's so dark. This game was like produced by Tim Burton, right? Oh, oh, there are people. Puppets.
The seamstresses, who are always plunged in an obsessive search for mediums.
Are they? I guess they're not aggressive. Oh! Don't mind that. I guess that's... Oh... Can I distract them? Okay. Oh. Can I even see the thing here? Oh, you don't need it. Oh, I guess so. What is this? Okay, I've got this, Maybe. Come on, move away from the button. Ah. Oh, no. This is annoying. Yeah. Come on. It's so heavy. Come on. Okay. That's there now. Great. on. Oh shit. Oh no. What the aggroed at me now? At least maybe they won't. Let's try this. I feel like I might have cheated a little bit. Oh. It kind of reminds me of my old textiles teacher back in high school. She used to get angry every time you used the scissors. Okay, let's go. Alright. My goodness, this is a big room. This way. This way to what, though? Oh, don't. Let's try to remove this thing. Nope. Oh, okay, hold on. This might work. Get out of here. Oh. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Oh. Huh. I still can't undo all the time. I don't know what's the deal there. That's okay. I think it's just my mouse. This it's like a bomb. Guess I'm just gonna. Sure, let's just take this with me. Woo! Okay, that works. Oh, that looks like a clusterfuck. Oh, I go in there. Oh, of course. A puppet. And probably heavy. Okay, button, door. Makes sense, I guess. Maybe. We need to get something heavy to sit on that button. Let's go this way, can't I? Again. Interesting. This is gonna be a plug.
Woo! I hope I don't rust.
Looks like there's some heavy doors here. Come on. Is this gonna work? Maybe that'll just be easier. Hey. Up, up. Come on, does this not just scream Bioshock right now? That's fucking awesome. Opera. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. How is this game free? effort. What is that noise? Let's head up here. I'm sure there's something terrifying ahead. Is that like a... Hey! Did it say theater? I guess I just came from the theater. Oh, balls. I'm not great at platforming, to be honest. In case that isn't super obvious. Hey, sure, why not pick a 3D platforming game based around puzzles to show everyone how fucking stupid I am. Does this move? Ha! I'm so clever.
What the hell?
Little did she know that the energy supply for the theater come from the ashes of her partners.
Oh, that's dark. Keep getting jumped down. I feel like that. No, I think it stops here. I was just curious to see whether they'd keep coming or not, because that would be like killer on your frame rate. It's pretty well. I do have a pretty decent rig though.
So that's why there were machines to destroy us.
What with a creepy hand. Tendon things. I don't like those at all. Somehow's fallen over.
The clock had fallen and so it broke. Time passes for everyone.
What is this clock doing here? Somebody should throw it away.
What clock? It is missing somewhere? Maybe we can see it from up here. Oh, right. Oh. I'm an idiot. Yes, there is a clock there.